we want to make the letter in brackets the subject of the formula. We have 3x plus b equals c, and x needs to be the subject. Remember, this means we need to rearrange to get x equals. So starting with the left-hand side, we have 3x plus b is equal to c. Taking away b from both sides. On the left, now we've taken b off, we just have 3x. On the right, taking b away, we get c minus b. Now divide both sides by 3. Dividing 3x by 3 gives us x. Dividing this side by 3 gives c minus b, all divided by 3. The way this is written suggests c minus b is done first, and then we divide it all by 3. If you want to make this totally clear, you can put brackets around the c minus b. We now have a times x plus d in a bracket is equal to 18, and we want to make x the subject. Multiplying out the bracket gives us ax plus ad is equal to 18. Taking away a times d from both sides leaves just ax on the left, and we get 18 take away ad on the right. Dividing both sides by a, we have ax divided by a is 18 take away ad, all divided by a. On the left, the a's cancel, leaving us with x. And then we have 18 minus ad, all divided by a. However, there is another approach we could have used with this example. Starting again at the beginning, we could have just divided both sides by a at this stage. On the left, that would have left us with x plus d, and on the right we'd get 18 over a. Then subtract d from both sides, gives us x is 18 over a, take away d. Note how, since both of these are rearrangements of the same formula, they must be the same. That means we should be able to take 18 over a take d and rearrange it to get 18 minus ad all over a. Let's try that. Writing it over a common denominator of a, we have minus ad over a. Note here how the a's would cancel, just leaving us with d. Now they're over the same denominator, we can just do the subtraction. So we get 18 take away ad all over a. Once again, if we want to make this clear, we could put a bracket around the top. But note how these are now the same.